So we're gonna do the boxer's glove. This one's a moderate, so all the other ones that we did were on easy. They might not be easy, but they're a little bit wider turn. So this one incorporates the first time that you're gonna have to go around one cone instead of 2 or 3. So this first cone, you're gonna go around, you go nice and wide, cut in, and then you're basically going around everything and then finally cutting into the middle part, and you're gonna cut in after that cone. So everything's on here, so if you get lost, just look at that. If you miss a cone, just keep trying or restart yourself. It's not a big deal. So I always like to do 5 at a time. The first 2 or 3 is getting familiar with the design. The last 2 is for speed. And then at a point, you're just gonna do all 5 for speed. So we're gonna go ahead and get back on, get into first gear. Now, if you wanna try second gear, do you know how to get into second gear?
Yeah, it's up.
It's up 1, yeah. So if you wanna try that, that's fine. Maybe after this, we can ride down a little bit and you're gonna wanna get into second gear because first gear is a little too slow. But for here, yeah, first or second gear. If we go riding, second, maybe even third gear. So yeah, go ahead and hop on and we're gonna go ahead and do this. There you go. So same thing, do the design, come through, do U-turn, do the design, come through, do U-turn. Let's do it 5 times. Okay. So only 5 attempts, that's really it. Yeah, so go nice and wide. That's fine. You're good, you're good. So you're gonna go all the way around and then you're gonna cut in right through here. And then that 1 cone you're gonna cut through. And then exit out. There you go. Very good. And if you notice, this is a big wide turn, so you could give it speed right here if you wanted to, and then you cut it through. It was much quicker this time, I think by 5 seconds.
Hey.
That's a lot of time on
falling
this.
Over.
That's a big part in getting a better time. You're doing great. There you go, keep it, there you go. Yeah, commit to it. Commit to those turns and you'll make it. There you go, give it a little speed. You beat that last time by a second. And once you know the designs, you can almost make strategies around it.
Yeah, for sure.
So you're getting better and better every time. There you go, commit to it, commit to it. Perfect. Good job switching the direction right away. You beat the last time by 3 seconds. Now you're down to 25. Last one, see what you can do. On the turns, give it a little speed. On that last part, maybe give it some speed on the way out. This first part, you gotta do a little slow. There you go. Now it's a big wide arc. You can give it some speed. All the way through. Handlebar turn, give it a little speed. Very good. 22 seconds on that one. So you're gonna go ahead and do a U-turn and come over here. And then we're gonna shut it off. I got it. You're good. You're good. You're fine.
That's not going in the video either.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Dad, I swear if you put that in the video, I'll find you and kill you.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You just lost balance?
It scared the crap out of me.
Yeah.
Thought I was gonna break a leg.
Well, I don't want you breaking a leg.
Yeah,
so
I don't want that in the video either.
Okay, I won't put it in. Okay, so then you come over here and pretend you got off the bike. Okay, so we just did the boxer's glove. So this first part is a nice sharp turn, and then you have to go wide. On the first one, you started putting foot down, and then after that, you didn't put your foot down at all. So what helped you with not putting your foot down?
I started focusing more on counterweighting.
Here we go. Go ahead.
I started to focus a little more on counterweighting. Like after that first one, I realized that I needed to sit a little more out because then I would fall and put my foot down. So after that, it was easy for me to be like, okay, I need to commit and then go a little more on the outside.
Okay, very good. And then you started, I think you had 37 seconds. It dropped down to 35, dropped down to 29, 25, now 22. So you gave it a nice slow turn, and then you started giving it speed on the way out. Did it feel more stable with more speed?
A little bit, yeah. If I kept the throttle still, it was more stable.
Okay, very good. So we're gonna finish up. We gotta ride back to the house and drop everything off. Do you wanna ride the neighborhood real quick? This will be your first time.
Sure.
We'll go into the cul-de-sacs and do everything, and then we'll just kind of end up parked. I'm gonna ride the e-bike and I'll be behind you. I'll talk to you on the cardos. You're gonna have this, and that's what we're gonna do.
Cool.
So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up all the cones, everything, and then we'll be back to this.